And special thanks to our friends at this company who are nice enough to send us this 50 pack of pop protectors. These are 0.38 millimeters thick. They have a locking tab design. They're evenly glued. They have a clear crease. They have 360-degree protection of your pop figures, high transparency, and just 2 steps to put them together. So there's 50 in this pack. I'm gonna open up one of them and show you. There we go. So bam, there's all 50 of them. Well, they're pretty transparent. It's hard to show you this, but you should be able to open them right up. You see how the bottom just kind of instantly locks. I push it down into place, and boom, you're ready to slide in your pop figure to keep it protected and safe from the environments. That was actually really easy. There we go. Hard to tell because it's so transparent, but that's the case put together. As you saw, pops together nice and easy, and you get 50 of them in this package. Thanks again to the company for sending these to me to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.